Welcome to the ACCA SBL September 25 MC Company Preseen highlight. Now, in today's section, I would like to go through a key topic called how to retain your customers. Just a friendly reminder that all of our Preseen application lectures are fully updated into 8 sections, 4 hours. Not only that you can get lectures, but also you can get the 134 pages of my Preseen application notes, not only summarizing the Preseen, giving you the background and additional commercial knowledge, but also I will go through lots of syllabus areas as the last minute revision to make sure that you're absolutely happy with this exam. Now let's get started. From the Preseen material, page number 5, we are told that customer attraction acquisition is quite easy. However, the retention should be a problem because less than 25% subscriptions lasting more than 6 months. So this means that if less customers subscribing to our products or services, this means that we will get less reliable estimated demand from customers. This means that if our forecast is not accurate, all of our business activities would be a problem, including we're not sure the volume of ingredients that we need to buy. That would be a problem. So this is why retaining customer would be the very key. However, from the exam's point of view, one possible exam question may be to asking you to suggest improvement to the marketing mix to improve customer retention. Now, what do you think? A lot of people, when thinking about marketing, is to think about the ways that they can market the product. It's fine. They are talking about promotion. But marketing mix is not just about promotion. Marketing mix will include 7 P's. The first one would certainly be the product. So, as I said in the last section, that the MC company will need to heavily focus on the service part, which means the after-sales service. But how can you suggest to the examining team basing on the marketing mix without much effort, but you can get reasonable marks because you've analysed the Preseen in advance? Well, here's my answer. I will say that why not introduce something that high quality, for example, ingredients in a box. Well, I will say that high quality ingredients, the competitor will say the same thing. But how can you differentiate yourself from your competitors? Well, I would say that this may be expensive or hard to find, unless you buy in larger quantity. So customers cannot get these ingredients. For example, a unique spice blend from a renowned supplier. It's hard for them to get it. I would say that that is a very sensible suggestion that you make. I would say that by seeing the noun, for example, the spice blend, or at least high quality ingredients, that makes a life that much interesting. So should we stop from there? As we can see, my answer, no. I will also use the conjunction word in my answer. In the exam, you can highlight that. For example, or here, it's likely that this ingredient will make customer feel that the meal is more than the actual costs. It makes them feel special. And this is what product means. And of course, you can also add other stuff in there to improve the experience that customers subscribing to the MC's product or services. It's fine. Just to be creative. But please, please, don't spend too much time explaining the nouns. For example, the spice blend. For example, we've got this mix and that mix is much better. Don't. This exam is the business exam. You're focusing on the operation. But putting some nouns in there, so for example, ingredients, blend, spice, this would make your answer at least look superior to others who would not mention these keywords. But bear in mind that you are mentioning these nouns, these keywords taken from the exhibit information on the exam day to support your answer. I hope this helps and I look forward to your exam success very soon then. Bye.
APC, accounting for your future.